See that little square sticker on the table? It is a bit magic. You scan it with your phone, and a friendly helper pops right up in your chat, ready to help you out. Zayd sits down at Sam's lemonade stand and scans the sticker on table 3. A chat pops open on his phone all by itself. And here's the clever bit. It already knows he is sitting at table 3. The AI helper answers right away, and the whole order happens inside the chat. Pick a treat, see the price, and you are done. The order zooms straight to table 3. Here is the really cool part. Each scan leaves a little trail behind it. The sticker leads to a chat. The chat becomes an order, and the stand remembers exactly which sticker started it all. Making your very own sticker is super easy. Pick where it goes, like a table or a poster. Pick what it opens, like the lemonade menu. Add your logo and a color, then print it out. A normal paper sign is stuck forever, but the magic sticker can change its mind. You print it just once, and later you can make it say something brand new. Today, it shows a free cookie with no reprinting at all. Even a receipt can make a friend. Lulu scans the little square at the bottom, and her receipt pops right into the chat. Scan goes in, receipt comes out, and the stand quietly saves her as a friend. Every single scan earns you a stamp. Collect 6 of them at Sam's stand, and the card scratches open to a treat. This time, the prize is a free cupcake. Yeah, every person who scans turns into a little friend card. Noor's card shows which stickers she scanned, what she bought, and how many times she came back to visit. Pretty neat, right? A colorful chart shows which sticker spot wins. The table stickers got the most scans today, by far. The Lil Park flyer got only a few. Now Sam knows exactly where they work best. And it is really fast. Under 1 whole second from a scan to the very first reply. More than 30 sticker styles to choose from. And almost every single scan opens a chat. So a square is never just a square. It is a tiny door to a friendly chat. Go make your very first magic sticker, totally free, over at remarketly.io.